Good morning, Manal, and welcome to the video. A little bit information about myself. My name is Saumil Shah, and I did my bachelor's in electronic engineering from India and double masters in electrical engineering and computer engineering. Currently work as a software engineer, and I love to teach people on YouTube. So this is going to be a small crash course on data science using Pandas Python module. So in this crash course, we are going to learn about the following aspects. So let me just quickly show you what we are about to learn. Okay, so in this crash course, I'm going to be basically teaching you about reading various types of files such as CSV, Excel, GZ, Parquet directly from AWS S3. We'll learn about the basic commands of Pandas such as head, tail, describe, and join, group by, stuff like that. We'll learn how to read large files in Pandas, how we can do that. We'll learn the art of data cleaning and data manipulation, and some basics about pandas and stuff like that. So it's going to be a crash course. Hope this would be a very useful video for everyone. I'm just very excited that this video will be uploaded pretty soon by the end of the day. So hopefully you guys would enjoy it and like it. So if you guys do enjoy such kind of crash courses, kindly let me know by doing that in the comment section below, and I would be very happy to read your comments, and would be more motivated actually to make such kind of videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching. The part will be uploaded pretty soon. Keep smiling, keep coding, stay happy, and see you guys in the next video.